is the day that the Lord has made. I am rejoicing and I am so glad in it. Well, on to the next. My aunt gave me bags of things that we are they're wearing. We are making them runway ready. And this happens to be another one. As I always say, on to the next. So, this is a maxi dress. And she wants to make it a tube top maxi dress. So, you guys watch me. About a year ago, I revamped a white button down for another friend. And I had this trim, and I think I put it around the sleeves. And I did like a trim in the back. If I can find it, I will repost it at the end of this video. So, kind of put our heads together. You guys know I'm always out looking for trims, buttons, anything that I can purchase at a reasonable price when I'm on my road trips that I can use down the road to revamp, upscale an item. Well, this was in my treasure trunk, and after looking at it, I'm like, hey, these fabrics are the same, the weight, everything. This is will be a perfect combination. So what I thought, because like I said, a lot of times they just want me to upscale it. They don't really know what they want. They have an idea, but they are not sure that it's going to work. And sometimes I'm not sure either, because the fabric can be different. The colors may not match up. You may have something in mind, but then once we try to put it together, it does not gel. But then sometimes it does. So that's what I'm here for. And I found this and thought, hey, this will be a good match. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some elastic, and then I'm going to trim it with this. And as you can see, it's going to look fabulous. But of course, it's going to be up here. We've already measured it, got everything together. And so this is going to be the new item. All right, this is number one. Now I've got another item that I purchased because I like the wording on it. And it says, it doesn't say I've got, it's got 99 problems, but my faith ain't one of them. And I thought, oh my God, that is so true. I have been, the ones that follow me, you know, I've been through so much. They say I have systemic lupus. I've had issues. I've been in a hospital. I was in a hospital for a whole year. Yes, I was in a hospital for 10 months, and then I was in a nursing home for 2. So in my book, that's 12 months. I was in a facility for 12 months. But God. And actually, I was at death's door. They wanted to pull the plug. But my dad said, you ain't touching my daughter. They prayed and they prayed and they prayed. And I was hooked up to a machine. I had a trach in me. I couldn't talk. I was being fed by tubes. Couldn't eat on my own. And when my dad got there, I wasn't talking, but I was writing, and I was sitting up in bed. Even the doctors was amazed because I came in with a temperature of 106. They said my blood was boiling like it was a pot on the stove. But again, okay, I'm about to get happy. But again, but God. So, faith. You got to have faith. If you're going to pray, don't worry. And if you're going to worry, don't pray. All right, I better stop, okay? But anyway, all you need is a mustard seed, just a mustard seed. And like I always say before in my videos, do something nice for someone. You never know what someone's going through. There are days when I might be in a funk, but then I think of the goodness of God and all that He's done for me, and it puts a smile back on my face. Because what do I have to be sad about? Got my limbs, most of my sense. There are some days when I get it, it's a little questionable, but for the most part, God has been good. Always say a personal touch is better, but hey, you can reach out on social media and say, hey, I was thinking about you, just want to know if you're okay, if there's anything I can do for you. We all should reach out and touch someone, one person at a time, and we can make this world a better place. We don't have to worry about number 45. We can do it. Because if we wait on 45, it ain't going to never happen, okay? Just keep praying for him. Just keep praying for him. All right, you guys, I will be back. On to the next. This is one of the projects. And I've got another one that I can't wait to show you because I've got some ideas for it. All right, stay tuned. Bye.